So because Pete's really fussy about how his face looks, I have to get a reflector out for him.
Wow. See, that's more on you.
Yeah. Which is what everyone worries about. What does AJ look like?
As long as you're alright.
Yeah.
Ta-da! That's better.
That's a great way to start.
Well, don't start with that. Start from like any second. 3, 2.
What I wanted to do today, as this is a behind the scenes of our days, I wanted to kind of bring in some of the stuff we've been doing in the grab and go reviews into the vlog.
You're telling me, but we've already talked about this.
But that's the idea of narrative, is like we're pretending that we've not discussed this.
I already know what's going to happen.
And this is what it's like all the time.
I think what you were trying to say is people always want to know how you put together a story.
They don't watch our videos and think that, they watch it and go, why did they put that together?
If you're watching someone else's video and goes, wow, that's amazing, how did they put that together? We're going to show you how. We're going to do some stuff.
Yeah.
Enjoy it.
I mean, do you want to tell them what we're doing or just go straight into it?
Well, I know what we're doing.
Yeah, but that's the point, is that we pretend to discuss it so they learn.
Oh, let's do the pretending bit again. What are we going to do today then, AJ?
Well, Peter, I thought we would do 5 quick and dirty in-camera transitions to improve the quality of your vlogs.
I don't like the dirty bit. Sorry about the intro. Quick and dirty, starting from number 1.
Number 1. So we'll go to it then, yeah? All right.
You can switch around at any time.
It can't. The first one can't be that.
Well, it's nice and easy. Nice and easy. Like, just sit back down, go with it.
But let's try it again then.
At any time, basically, you can just swap over just like that.
I think that was really weak. I know this is supposed to be quick and easy, but so that was number 1 apparently.
Let's go for transition number 2. And for transition number 2, literally just focus on me, focus on the subject. And I'm going to continue to talk to you, even though I'm still in the same room.
This is supposed to be a tutorial of both of us.
Well,
can you bring the camera down a little bit so I'm actually in the shot as well? That's your in-camera transition.
Yeah, but it's more exciting than that. So I was over there. I'm now over here. But you didn't notice because I moved at such a speed that the whole time you were looking at me and the background changed and now I'm in another room.
Again,
there's AJ.
It's not the right height for me again.
I'll put it down for you.
So we've got to move from here to Pete making a cup of tea, so...
use number 3.
Number 3?
It's like the zoomy swooshy thing.
Yeah, we said we discussed this beforehand. We blatantly didn't actually discuss it that well. Hint, it will go like this.
I just want to make a cup of tea.
Right, okay, so number 3.
Number 3 is the same as number 2. It's just a swoosh, but instead of going around, what you've done is you've dropped it down.
Well, it's quick and easy, isn't it? So basically I go down and then down.
That's it, just like that. Oof, oof, oof. Just down, oof.
This isn't going very well.
Just oof. That's what I call it. I call it the oof.
It's not going very well. So far we've done 1 which was a cop out at the start. 2 and 3 are pretty much the same thing, aren't they? We've got a whole list. Carpet?
The carpet, that you could follow me. So basically as I walk off, you drop down to the carpet and then that joins nicely into the next shot. That's it anyway, I'm off, AJ. Obviously the only thing with the swoosh into the colour edit, the colour here is the carpet. So you've got to be careful where it takes you. Because you can swoosh out and swoosh back in at any point. Not in here, come on mate, that's ridiculous. Swoosh it somewhere else.
Okay, sorry mate.
So that's the swoosh edit, and as you can see from those many examples, you just take one colour and join it with the next swoosh colour.
I really like the way you're taking this so seriously. Like you're presenting it.
I am presenting it.
Yeah.
Number 4 is the in-camera. And this one, you just need an object. It's the object edit. For this example, I'm going to use AJ as the object.
I'm not an object.
And there you have it. The object transition.
I mean, I don't much like being called an object, to be honest.
Well, it's the name, it's what I'm giving it. The object edit is the name of the cut.
Well, the beautiful thing with being an object is that anyone can be an object, even you. See, even Pete can be an object.
Which is great, because that leads me nicely onto this product review that I'm doing here. And in today's product review, we're taking a closer look at round trees.
Why have I got these?
That was weird.
You had them. Do you want them?
I called it the walkie-walkie edit.
The walkie-talkie.
The walkie-walkie edit.
Well, I like walkie-talkie better.
Okay. Do I win? What's that?
Meteorite.
The walkie-talkie edit.
So what do you do for this?
Just follow me. And there you have it. The walkie-talkie edit.
We didn't move anywhere. We just walked.
It was just a cut. It was a cut and then a join.
Well, I mean, maybe we could. Usually these like transitions take us somewhere. We've just walked around the camera.
All right, you want to walk somewhere?
Yeah.
Okay, watch this.
Take
the
two.
walkie-talkie edit, take 2. Walkie-talkie edit. The walkie-talkie transitional edit.
We're doing it again. Oh, okay.
The walkie-talkie transitional edit thing. Still got. Okay, come along. Where, AJ?
Hey!
What the? Oh, that's the end of the walkie-talkie edit. That is definitely better. That's better.
What's better?
Whew.
When we spoke about this video, we said this is going to be one of those like fast-paced tutorials, 5 great in-camera tricks that new.
Can I open these?
And this is what's happened the whole time.
It's only a prop.
Yeah, they've been there for about 3 years.
Should be
You're really
right.
going to eat them? I'm alright, thanks.
That's the first time you've looked tall. Didn't work.
What's quite nice is with this when we're stood up is that you have to actually stand that far away from
No, we're the same height.
This is like filming The Hobbit. If you enjoyed that video, which you probably didn't, let's
Don't
face
do
it.
that whole like, subscribe thing. It does my head in. Don't do likes. In fact, if you're the that keeps disliking stuff, you. Can we put that?
Oh yeah, you're editing it, so do you want to put it?
We need to come up with one of those phrases to outro the video as well.
What, like a catchphrase? Maybe we can put it to the audience what they think our catchphrase should
How would
be.
you like? You can choose the ending. That's a great one.
Yeah.
Choose the ending.
Like
From now on, we'll say what you tell us. An ending.
That was a failure.
Hat ending.
On the lens. No. Ah!